Hello, good morning everyone. How are you doing today? Okay, our subject today is Science, Unit 6, and our lesson today is 6.2, Changing Shapes, from our learner's book, page 60 to 61. So what you are going to do, take all your books, put them on your table, your learner's book and your science notebook. Okay, just follow instruction and understand. By the end of this lesson, you will take your science notebook and write your answers down. Okay, the most important thing for you is to understand how material are changing shapes, or things are changing shapes. So, our learning objective is, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explore how forces can change the shape of objects. And then we are going to collect evidence in a variety of contexts to answer questions or test ideas. Our curriculum link. This our unit. It had a link with Unit 5 regarding material properties. It's very easy to change the shape of some materials, but not others. There are also materials that break rather than change their shapes. This topic linked to part of curriculum where learners shape materials, such as design and technology and art. So, as our daily routine, all the letters in the word, try to find one keyword for our topic today. Will you be able to try that? Okay, try that for me. And you can see these are our vocabulary or science lesson. So what you're going to do, I want you to write them in your science notebook. Okay? Right, of shape, change of shape. When a force acts on an object, the object may change shape by bending, stretching, or compressing, or a combination of all three shape changes. Some Some materials are hard and some are soft. Do you know that? I think you know that from our Unit 5. So, can you think of any example of hard and soft things? Can you think of them? Can you? What are they? What are those things which are hard and soft and they are easy to bend or to change shapes? Is it easy to change their shape? Is it easy to change their shape? The hard things is difficult to change their shapes, but the soft things is easy to change their shapes, right? Is it true? Okay, can you give me your own explanation? Is it easy to change their shapes? Is it? Changing shape. Look at the following material. Can you easily change their shapes? Let's check at these pictures. Okay, use your eyes to see. Look at the first picture. Look at the first picture. A baker uses a force when making bread. Can you try to do this at home? Can you? Okay. The potter is using force to create a clay pot. You can use, if you have Play-Doh, you can use and create anything you like with Play-Doh. Okay, look at the other picture. Man uses force to squash an empty drink can. Can you see the picture? And look at the other one. Thin metal can change shape if you push hard enough. Thin metal can change shape if you push hard enough. Look at the other picture. Mike pulls on a rubber band. It stretches and gets longer. And the last photo is a carpenter using force to carve the wood. Can you see that? Can you? Okay. Now, can you easily change their shape? Look at this picture. Can you easily change their shape? Can you? Okay. Okay, let's try this together. Do all materials change shape when they are pulled or pushed by hands? Do all materials change shape when they are pulled or pushed by hands? All right. Some will, but it depends on how hard the material is. For example, some will not change the shape if it's pulled or pushed by hands. Okay, so you should know that. Question 2. List some workers who have to change the shape of materials. Do you know some workers who have to change the shape of materials? Yes. For example, are baker, potters, builder, and carpenter. They are the workers who have to change the shape of materials. Okay? So, what have you learned? What have you learned today? What have you learned today? I think you have learned that forces can change the shape of things. Is it true? Forces can change the shape of things. So what I would like you to do, just take your science notebook, write the day today, and write this question and answers in your science notebook. So the work is not that too much for you. By 5 minutes, you'll be able to finish your work. Okay? Have a lovely day. Bye. I miss you all.